Good morning, everyone. Welcome to News Navigator by Dhruva IAS, your one-stop guide to UPSC's relevant news. Every day, we break down the most important articles from The Hindu and other sources, helping you focus on what truly matters for your UPSC preparation. If you're struggling with current affairs or wondering which article should I read today, we have got you covered. Today, we'll be analyzing 8th February 2025, The Hindu newspaper. So let's dive into today's top editorials and key topics. The first article that we need to read fully falls in the editorial page number 8. This article talks about AI responses and the regulation of artificial intelligence. It is important for both GS2 as well as GS3. In GS2, when we talk about policy and governance, how artificial intelligence plays a role, and when we talk about GS3, economy, internal security, cybersecurity, as well as innovation, AI and related topics falls into it. Now, since we do not have much time, I'm unable to explain. Kindly pause the video and cover these dimensions that are written in the newspaper. The next important article that falls into the fully reading category is again in the page number 8 editorial section. This one talks about the rural-urban divide, how technology is unable to penetrate to the rural areas. What is the rural-urban divide that we have, especially when we talk about the Escher report? So kindly cover these dimensions. The next article that we need to read is in page number 13. It is based on the RBI governor's statement. This particular article falls in GS3 category, especially when we talk about the economy. RBI governors as well as finance ministers' statements plays a crucial role. Every time when you see this in the newspaper, kindly read them. Apart from these fully reading articles, there are other topics that we need to search on the Google. As RBI has reduced the repo rate, you should know what is a repo rate. Next one is olive ridled sea turtles. Remember, you need to know about the difference between a tortoise and a turtle. At the same time, olive ridley turtle, if we talk about that, what is the IUCN status of it and the location? What are the threats as well as conservation methods? The next thing that we need to search is on the tropex exercise. This particular exercise is not a bilateral exercise. When we talk about tropex, it is an exercise by Navy, Army, and Air Force. Apart from this, there are other things that you need to search on the Google. First thing is Bio-E3 policy, what it is, and how biotechnology is related to economy as well as environment. The last one, recently Trump has imposed sanctions on ICC judges. That is impacting the global social justice delivery. Hence, you need to know what is International Criminal Court, at the same time what is its difference between International Court of Justice. Apart from this, there are some schemes that are visible in today's newspaper. The first scheme that we have seen is related to MGNRHS. The payment delays or the disbursal of the payment by the center to the states is a hot topic from the last 1 year. The other things that we have seen related to Skill India Development Program. So under this one umbrella program, we have 3 sub schemes. You need to read about all these 3 and make a notes out of it. That's it for today's News Navigator. Remember, smart preparation isn't just reading the news. It's about understanding the issues, linking them to the syllabus, and developing an analytical perspective. If you found this video useful, like, share, and subscribe to Dhruva IAS Academy's YouTube channel for daily insights. Stay curious, stay consistent, and I'll see you in next episode. Until then, keep learning, keep growing.